Hey there, welcome to Compare the Carrier's YouTube channel. Are you getting ready for a big move? We know it can be stressful, but don't worry. We at Compare the Carrier are here to help you. Today, we're going to share the ultimate moving checklist to make your life easier. First things first, let's get organized. We recommend starting at least 8 weeks before your move date. This gives you plenty of time to declutter, pack, and plan your move without feeling overwhelmed. Next, create an inventory of all the items you plan to move. This will help you stay organized and ensure nothing gets left behind. Don't forget to include your cars, motorcycles, or any other kind of vehicle. Now that you have your inventory, it's time to start decluttering. Separate your items into 3 categories: keep, sell, or donate. This will make packing much more manageable. Once you're organized, it's time to request quotes from auto transport brokers and moving companies. Visit comparethecarrier.com to receive multiple quotes from top-rated professionals. This will save you time and help you find the best deal. With your quotes in hand, start packing your belongings. Label each box with its contents and the room it belongs to. Make sure to pack a separate essentials box with items you'll need immediately upon arrival. Lastly, make a list of important tasks to complete before moving day. This might include transferring utilities, updating your address, and scheduling a final walkthrough. Remember, moving doesn't have to be a headache. With Compare the Carrier by your side, you'll have all the resources you need for a smooth and stress-free move. Visit comparethecarrier.com today and get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice and tips.